morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And this morning, my nurse, Stephanie's been with me since June the 28th. And today is August the 3rd. And so she's going to show me how to do what's called Sausage Poofs. This little store down near where I live makes Sausage Poofs, and they sell them for 89 cents a piece, and they are unbelievable. So we're going to fix that today, and Stephanie's going to help me. The first thing that I'm going to do is I've got this Jimmy Dean regular sausage. You can use all of them. Stephanie said the mild, but I didn't see any mild, so, and I don't think I've ever seen any mild sausage in Jimmy Dean. I just thought it was regular and hot, so we're going to use the regular, but if you find the mild, she said the mild is better in these. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this whole pound of sausage into my frying pan on my New Wave. And I'm going to fry this up, mash it up, fry it up into little, to ground sausage or whatever, and fry it up, and I will bring you back when that gets done, and we'll go from there. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, when you make these, about 30 minutes before you start on the sausage or whatever, get out a package of, I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese, and set this out so it gets soft, because we need this to make the sausage poofs. Alright, so I'll bring it back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I've fried all the sausage. I've got it in a strainer over top of a bowl, draining the grease out. It's got to be drained pretty good, so it's not very much grease. As you can see, it's not very much grease in here, but you still have to drain it really good, so just let it sit in the strainer or whatever and drain off. And so I'll do that, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, this is Stephanie. Stephanie's my nurse. She's been here with me since June the 28th, and I hope she's going to be with me until I kick the bucket. Okay. Anyway, now we've got the sausage. It's been draining for 15 or 20 minutes now, and it's cool. It's cooled off in that point and that much time too. So we're going to put it into another bowl, and she's going to blot it with the
squeeze the grease out of it, just to make sure there's no extra grease.
And I've got the bar of cream cheese that's been sitting here.
Squeeze it, is all you gotta do. Yeah.
And I got this little spatula, this little bitty one. It's real little. I really like it. Alright, and so now we're going to put the cream cheese. It's one whole block of cream cheese.
We'll just
just sit it there.
Use your hands.
And she's taking her rings off and washed her hands really good, because you have to mash this. I'm going to zoom in so you can see.
Just kind of squeeze it together. Just kind of roll it around like you're making biscuits almost, kind of like but just roll it into itself and squeeze.
I'll show you when she finishes, but that's what she's doing now. And then we've got to put this into the refrigerator or freezer?
Well, refrigerator overnight, if you have overnight. But if you don't have that long, you can put it in the freezer for, I'd say about 35, 40 minutes. It's just as long as it's hard, as the mixture is hard enough to where you can spoon it into the biscuit.
And I've got a 12-count Pillsbury biscuit that we're going to use in this. All right, I've got the repairman here. I'll bring you right back. Okay, we're back. All right, so you can see that this stayed in the freezer for probably 30 minutes or so, and you can see this is now hard. And that's the way that you want your sausage mixture to be. The only things in here is a pound of sausage and an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese that was softened and mixed together, then put in the freezer. And we've got a pan, and I've got the non-stick aluminum foil on this pan, or you could just use your pan. Don't put the regular aluminum foil because they will stick. The biscuits will stick to that, but this is the non-stick. All right, and then I have a 12 biscuit Pillsbury Biscuit buttermilk. These are buttermilk, and so Stephanie's going to show us what to do from here on out, and I cannot wait to have these. Oh my gosh.
Me neither. Okay, open up your can of biscuits.
At least I can't zoom out any, so you can't see Stephanie's face, but she's getting out all the biscuits.
Okay. Start with biscuit like this. Let's move this over a little bit. You take it and just pull it. You pull it and kind of flatten around the edges while you're pulling it, but don't pull it hard because you'll rip the biscuit. So just do it as easy as you can, but pull it out as flat and far as you can, because that's going to make a bigger poof. Yes, you got to put more mixture into it. Okay. Now I've got this, and just lay it on your hand. Take the spoon, get it about that much, however much that you want to put inside of it, but not more than this, because it'll come out, and just kind of push it down with the spoon on that side. And then you're going to take it from both sides and pull it like this. And then you're going to turn it around and pull it on. I'm trying to show you all while I'm doing it. And pull it on that side, kind of like a fortune cookie maybe. And then just twist. And then put it in your hand and press.
Can you see that? I'll get her to do one more, and you can see as she does it.
And then just
all right,
stick
and
it
then
on the
just
thing.
stick it on the pan. Let me zoom out some.
Layers are free.
The little strings off of the
cardboard maybe. Okay.
All right, so here's another one. I've got it zoomed in so you can see. See, if you pull it too hard, the biscuit comes apart. So be careful and.
Okay, what the easiest way to do it is to do the edges first. Just pinch down the edges, and it'll come out as you're pinching the edges. It makes it.
I've been wanting to do these so long, and I was kind of scared, but Stephanie knows how to make these, so she's showing us how to do it.
I used to make 300 a day, at least.
And you got to make sure that you've got enough stuff for 12. With this, we used to have 10 count Pillsbury biscuits, but we can't find them anymore. So, all right. So she twisted it and then pushed it down.
Do one more. Okay, just start with the edges, pulling the edges out like pizza dough. You can also make little pizzas out of this, but that's a different show. Okay, I take the mixture. I'm using a fairly big, big spoon, not a really big spoon, but and then just pour the mix in there. Put the
I'm
mix
scared
in
you're
there.
going. If you're using so much, I'm scared you're gonna run out. We're not gonna have enough for 12 biscuits.
I have enough. Some might be smaller than the others.
And then twist it and make sure that they're closed in there, that the sausage and the cream cheese mixture is inside the biscuit. And then put it down. See the bottom of it? The mixture's inside the biscuit. So do that. And my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to, when these get done, we're going to put them in there for, what did you say, 11 minutes?
For 13 minutes, but it just depends on
the oven. It depends on your oven. Her oven, does it in 13 minutes. Mine, it may be 15 or it may be 11. So we'll just have to wait and see. You don't want your biscuits to burn. So I will bring you back when we get done, and we're going to taste these sausage biscuits, these sausage poofs, and show you what they look like. Okay, I'm back. All right, we fixed 12, and they're in the oven, and we had this much left, and I know it's not going to make 12 more, but I'm going to open a can and fix as many as I can, and then just cook the biscuits, the rest of the biscuits or whatever, and put them in the oven on another pan. So when these get ready, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so here's the sausage poofs. You can see you can see the sausage mixture, the sausage mixture down inside the biscuit. And so it's just like a creamy sausage. Let me take a bite.
Debbie, these are pretty good.
These are still hot. But you can see down inside them. Oh, they are so good. You have got to try this. You saw it's pretty easy. Stephanie knows how to do it, though, because Stephanie used to work down here at this little place, and so she used to make them all the time. So she knows how to do it pretty fast. But it's not that hard to make, and I told her I think that I'm going to start making these for, like, holiday mornings, like Christmas morning or Thanksgiving morning, something, where you want your children to have something special for breakfast. So this would be really good for them for a holiday breakfast. And it's just so good. All right. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also there'll be links below to different things that I use in my kitchen, like with my canning or my Instant Pot, just different things like that. And you have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.